Action!
I think I'm in love with the way your nail glitter, the way your hair fall, the way you constantly bite on that coffee straw. 대체 브랜드가 뭘까죠? H&M, Saint Laurent, 뭐 아무튼.
Hello friends, it's Peachy. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I did this burgundy cafe makeup and I think it's really cool. It's my first time doing this ever, so I kind of just experimented on camera. Let's get into it.
Yeah, my go-to coffee shop. Would you like to order? Yes, Americano please. 오늘따라 잠이 안 깨 그런 탓인지. Anything else, sir? 잠시만요 please. Oh, extra shot, extra ice, make it nice. 알겠지? Large? Yes. Card? on your price? 5,700원입니다. Oh, okay. 하고 자연스럽게 그녀를 향해 걸어가며. Excuse me, would you like to be part of my movie? Don't worry, I'm not pursuing. So I'm like, am I riding? Am I watching? Am I stone in my movie? Be part of my movie. I'm not pursuing. This ain't no love song, it's everybody's favorite movie. Yours truly.
I'm in love with you and you just gotta let my love adorn you. 옷 입는 것도 취향 너 맘에 들어. All I want is you. I'm got the antidote. That you just don't know. 모른다면 let me explain girl. 그러니까 완벽하단 말로도 좀 부족해. 내가 일하기 싫게 해도 it's okay. 가끔 한 번씩 서기도 하겠지. 하지만 아무렇지 않게 이겨내겠지. 그 어떤 것도 두려워할 필요 없어. Let's get drunk in love.
You know I'm going. You're part of my movie. Don't worry, I'm not pursuing. So I'm like, am I riding? Am I watching? Am I stone in my movie? You're part of my movie. I'm not pursuing. This ain't no love song, it's everybody's favorite movie. Yours truly.
Girl, I'll join the vibe.
Only the good things. Don't worry.
No camera, yeah, no lights.
No, I'm not dirty. Like oh yeah, 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 like oh yeah. Yeah. Alright, cool. You're part of my movie. I'm not pursuing. So I'm like, am I riding? Am I watching? Am I stone in my movie? You're part of my movie. I'm not pursuing.
I'm very gentle with the brow mascara because I want my eyebrows to have a soft and natural look. normally do this, but I dragged the lower lash line eyeshadow too far down, so I'm cleaning it up with concealer. Now I'm smoothing any harsh edges with a blending brush. I don't usually bake the sides of my nose, but I messed up on my nose contour, so I have to.
I think I'm in love with the way your nail glitter, the way your hair fall, the way you constantly bite on that coffee straw. 대체 브랜드가 뭘까죠? H&M, Saint Laurent, 뭐 아무튼 the way you flipped through that and the way you made that.
Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please remember to give it a thumbs up. If you liked me, then follow all my socials. If you want to see more content, just subscribe to my channel. I promise you, you will not be disappointed. Okay, Maybe maybe you will be disappointed, but I'm pretty sure you won't because I'm super cool sometimes. Let me know what you think in the comments. If you liked this look, if you want to see any other kind of videos, if there's any products you want me to try or do a first impressions on, please let me know. If you really liked the video, share with someone who may like it. It really does mean the world to me. Bye friends!